If you are watching this video right now, then congratulations to you, because even if today is your first day of coming across YouTube, even if today is your first day of hearing about this type of niche, I promise you that by the end of this tutorial you will learn how to create these animated folktale stories using just your smartphone or your laptop. And the good part of it is that everything in this tutorial is totally free, both on how to generate the script, both on how to generate the voiceover, both on how to generate all this animation. Everything will be totally for free. So guys, all I want from you in return as favor is to help me hit that like and subscribe button so that YouTube can as well push this video to more people. Guys, if we check this channel here, this channel has gained over 1 million views in the past 4 months. Now if we hit this channel, if we open up this channel, you will see that this channel has over 60,000 subscribers and posted only 28 videos. Now, to show you that this channel, they are really cashing out, to show you that they are really making money from this type of content, copy the name of this channel, copy the name, then open up your browser. When you open up your browser, type social blade. Here is it. It will pop out. Then click it. Click the first one that will open up. Social blade is a website where you can use to check people's earning from different social media platforms. So you paste the name that we just copied here. You paste the name. When you paste the name, then you hit search. Just hit search. You will see that social blade will bring out that channel. This was the channel here. Now you can, as you can see, this channel is earning roughly $360 to $5,000 every month, and they are earning around $4,000 to $69,000 every year. Guys, this is to show you that these people are really making money from creating these simple animation videos. They are really making money, and the view count is massive. This gained over 1 million views in the past 4 months, and this gained over 300,000 views in the past 1 month. This gained over 600,000 views in the past 1 month. Now, I'm not going to promise you that once you just start, you start seeing all these view counts. No, it's not like that. These people have been working for, some of them even for years, some of them, if you are lucky, for months. They have been working to create channels that stands out like this. So you as well putting work, and your consistency will determine if you will get to this point. So guys, without further ado, let's dive into the video. So first thing first, we are going to generate the script using ChatGPT. So what you will do, head over to your browser, then open up your ChatGPT. When you open up your ChatGPT, you are going to paste the first prompt. I will paste the prompt here, then you can pause the video to copy it. We are going to paste the first prompt. This prompt is what ChatGPT will use to bring out varieties of topics that we are going to choose from the one we will use. So I will paste the prompt. So this is what ChatGPT is going to work with. ChatGPT is going to use this to give us the varieties of topics that we are going to work with. Give me a list of title ideas for an animated YouTube video series about a dramatic African love stories set in the Igbo culture. Include like themes like forbidden love, family conflicts, tradition, betrayal, or deception. You can change the culture to any culture you want. So for the sake of this tutorial, we're going to leave it with Igbo culture. Then you hit enter. What you will see that ChatGPT will generate varieties of topics for us to work with. Now when you see the one that you want to work with on this or for your video, the second part of it is to paste the second prompt that ChatGPT will use to write any of this story. There is another prompt that I will paste here now that ChatGPT will use to write any of this story. You can as well pause the video to copy the prompt. What I will do now is to paste it. Now this is the second prompt that ChatGPT will use. Give me a story to narrate with a voice for an animated African story for number. This is where you will add the number of the one you want to work with. Now let's say I want to go with number, which one will I go with? An Igbo love saga, Heart in Excel. So I will go with number 1. Let's just go with number 1. So I will say in number 1, then you add one here. Sorry for that. You add one here, the summary, then everything, blah 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 blah. Just make sure you copy the whole thing here. Just copy this whole thing and use it for your to give ChatGPT to produce prompts and scripts for you. So when you put it, you hit enter. Now you will see ChatGPT will do its work. ChatGPT will just narrate, bring out everything for you as easy as whatever you would think of. ChatGPT will just bring it out. What you will do now after generating the script is to copy it. Copy the script and maybe go to your WhatsApp or whatever. Go there. When you go there, you go and edit the script in a way that we will use it to generate voiceover. So I'm going to edit my own script. When I edit it finish, I will come, then we generate the voiceover. So guys, now that we have generated our script, it is now time for us to generate the voiceover using a free website. Guys, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm not going to use the entire script, but when you are creating your video, please use the entire script because the whole story is there. But I'm just going to make everything short for the sake of the tutorial. So what you will do now is to type Playht. Here is it. You click it. When you click it, you click the first one. This is a free website used for generating voiceover. Then you can just, I'm going to log out, so I will sign in so you guys can as well follow up with the process. So what you will do now is to type in your full name. Or then the email you want to use. You type in the email, then you create your password. After that, you select your country. Because you are going to use it to verify your mobile number. But one thing about this website is that they are not even going to send you any code. So you just you type in the mobile number you want to use. So that is the number I will use. You hit the agree, then you verify that you are not a robot. You verify that. Oh sure, bicycle. After that, you can see, then you click sign up. So it is now authenticating. It is now loading the preference and everything. You can click save your password. After that, you click individual or company. I will go with individual. You click videos. You click YouTube videos because we are using it for YouTube. But if you are using other social media platform, you can as well do that. So here is it now. For me, I think I will go with this voice Sarah because I've been using Sarah to generate other voiceover. But if you want to change the voice, you can as well come here. When you click the voice here, there are tons of free voice to use, guys. There are tons of free voice to use. Like let's say for this one, you test it. There are tons of free voice to just use, so you can just choose anyone. So but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to use the Sarah. So I will paste the prompts that I want to use. This is the prompt that I want to use for the tutorial. This is the prompt. Let's generate it. You just hit it to generate the prompt. Let's wait for it to generate. So now that we have finished generating the voiceover using this short script for the sake of this tutorial, mind you, there are tons of voice that you can use while doing your own. There are tons of voice that you can use while doing your own. So let's just listen to it and see what it sounds like. If you don't like the voice, you can as well change it. You can as well change this voice and use another voice, either male or female. So after that, the next thing you should do is to hit this export. When you hit the export, you download it as a single file. You just tap it and download it as a single file. So after downloading this, the next thing we should do is to generate the animations. So guys, for us to generate these animations, we are going to use this free website called Mage.space. Don't worry, the link to everything will be in the description of this video. So guys, we are going to use this free website to generate this animation. So I will put in the prompt, and both the prompts and everything will be in the link of this video. This is the prompt that I will use to generate this. Then I will click here. You click here. When you tap it, you wait for it to start generating the animations. Let's wait for it to generate the animation. So guys, please, so far, if you have found any value in this video, please help me hit that like and subscribe button so that YouTube can as well push this video to more people. This is the result, this is the animation, and this is the exact animation that others are using to generate their videos. So different prompts will give you different results. I'll post the prompts which I use in generating this exact one. You will use that prompt and edit it to the exact way your own script is. You edit it to the way that your own script is to get different results. So I promise you guys that everything in this video will be totally for free, and which is what I've done. I've shown you guys how to generate the script, how to generate the voiceover, and here is how to also generate the animations. All is totally for free. So guys, if you have gained any value so far in this video, please help me and hit that like and subscribe button so that YouTube can as well recommend this video to more people. Please guys, watch out for my next video where I will be teaching you guys a detailed video on how to use CapCut to edit your videos. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for staying up to this moment. I love you all.